Now, one of the disorders associated with the excretory system is the kidney stone or the renal calculus. Now, very commonly, kidney stones are found within the kidneys and the ureters. However, they are less commonly found in the bladder, and they are formed by precipitation of substances in the urine. So, like I told you, kidney and ureter stones are much common in comparison to the bladder stones. And the formation of kidney stones is very high. The chances are very high during the summer months, obviously, because during the summer months a person is prone to losing more moisture from his body, more fluid loss from the body due to sweat. Another reason for kidney stone or the calculus or renal calculus formation is chronic dehydration. Now, chronic dehydration can also upset the balance, the fluid balance and the ionic balance in the body, and that may lead to precipitation of certain salts. Sometimes a person who is consuming excess of green leafy vegetables which have lot of calcium oxalate in them may be prone to developing kidney stone. So mostly a kidney stone is either made up of calcium oxalate or it is made up of calcium phosphate. When these minerals get precipitated in the blood, in the urine, they form these kidney stones or renal calculi within the kidney or the ureter or the bladder. How does one recognize whether there is a stone? Now, usually a scan is done, or sometimes by using endoscopy such as cystoscopy or ureterorhinoscopy, one can actually visualize the presence of a kidney stone. And once it is recognized, it is crushed and ultimately it is fragmented either by use of laser or in a technique referred to as lithotripsy. There is use of ultrasound waves, ultrasound shock waves. And these ultrasound shock waves are used to fragment the kidney stones into smaller fragments which get washed out, which get flushed out of the system. So this method or this treatment strategy is called extracorporeal lithoscopy, renal lithoscopy. And like I told you, there is use of shock wave, ultrasound shock waves in order to fragment the kidney stones.